Okay, now that you've made the distance time graph or the displacement time graph, we're going to make the velocity time graph. For this one, I'm going to highlight my time data. I'm then going to push down the control button on my keyboard and highlight the velocity data. I then will go to Insert, click on Scatter. Points not connected is what I'm trying to make. And you'll see that this car sped up, kind of went constant speed. This one right here is maybe a bad point on my graph, but sped up about constant speed and then slowed down. The data might be a little bit better if we took readings every fourth of a meter instead of every half of a meter, but this data will work. I then will go to my layout, put on my chart title. I'm going to put it above the chart, and this one could be titled Acceleration of Toy Car, because that's what we can see on a velocity time graph. We can get the acceleration with our slope. Then I will put in my axes titles, time always being on the X. Make sure you put labels. And on the vertical axis, this one is velocity in meters per second. That is all you are going to need for the velocity time graph. You do not have to put a line of best fit in here. One of the questions on the back of your page asks about the acceleration from 0 to 2. That you can draw in a line of best fit and calculate the slope. It also asks you to find a displacement. You will have to do a line of best fit and draw in how you find the velocity or the displacement on a velocity time graph. But all you need for the velocity time graph are the points. You'll have to add the second car. I don't want to have it say Series 1, so go to Design, select Data, and I can edit it so it doesn't say Series 1 but says Car 1. Click OK. Then you will add Car 2 and put that on the graph. Car 2 now I will highlight my time data, click Control, highlight the velocity data. I don't want to do that. I went too far. I want just the X. Click the red. Click the Y values, which are velocities. Click the red arrow again. And I should have the X or the car data for car 1 and the velocity time data for car 2. This is all you will need. Anything else you need on there, you can hand write on there to calculate your accelerations and your displacements. Print this graph off and bring that on Monday. Good luck.